Now, before we get stuck in with the actual coding, let's go into a little bit about the background behind Python and why it's my favorite language and why I think it may be yours as well once you've had a good go at it. So Python is simple, versatile, and highly readable. Because it's simple and easy to grasp and the code is relatively readable, it means that this is one of the favorite languages for beginners to get into coding. It's versatile because it's used in so many applications. It's used in creating websites. It's used a lot in maths and statistics. It's one of the most popular coding languages by far for creating artificial intelligence. It's used in creating games and smartphone apps. So we have Pygame, that's used for creating incredible games. We're going to be using Django in this course to create web applications. We're going to be using something called Keras, which is a library within Python to create our own machine learning models, our own deep learning models, our own artificial intelligence. And also it can be used in the Internet of Things. So Python is used quite a lot for creating smart devices, which makes this a really interesting and exciting area to be in. So Python was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. So it's been around for quite a while, but not as much as some of the other languages. It's highly popular and it's getting so much more popularity every day because it's so simple, readable and versatile. And it's highly accessible for beginners, but it's also used by professionals all of the time. So just like with JavaScript, the concepts that you learn in Python, they're very transferable to all the other coding languages. So I started in Python, for example, and that made it incredibly easy for me to then learn JavaScript and to also learn Java. So as I said before, with JavaScript, Python is well worth learning. It's one of the most in-demand programming languages of 2019, and because of its applications, especially in machine learning, it's really gaining traction quite a lot, not only in how many job postings there are for it, but also in the salaries as well. So it's definitely worth learning Python from that standpoint as well. So up next, let's talk a bit about how we can get set up with Python.